Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting, and it's day 6 of the 12 days of Christmas in July. And in today's video, it is another free SVG day, and in this one, it is this beautiful light strip. Now, the original place that I got the light strip, I have no idea. There are places that you can get them. I will link some down below. Where I got mine, I have no idea anymore. It's gone. I can't find it. You can buy them on Etsy. You can download free ones. I'm going to link a few free resources down below, but where I got mine, I don't know. But I am going to link some free ones down below. I do know that I did not get mine on Etsy. I double checked. Mine was free. I've used this so many times. It is one of my favorite. So, all I did was make it the size of my card. So let's glue the base down. Glue the base down. First and foremost, we want to just glue this down. This is our string for our lights. The good thing about this is you can actually use this for any season and just change out the color of the lights. Oh, it is really raining. It's coming down now. I hear it. I mean, I know you can't, but all of a sudden it is pouring here. It's been doing nothing but rain. It barely rained for like 2 months here. It barely rained for like May. It rained the beginning of May, and then it barely rained in May, and then it didn't rain till like the end of June, and now it has been done nothing this month but rain. It's insane. Okay, and then we have our little lights. So we're just going to glue them down. To make this on the Cricut, I literally just use scraps. I have a scrap bin filled with plain colored scraps, and I just grabbed a bunch of different colors and cut them out. Little pieces. You don't need much to cut these light bulbs out. They're very small. I'm just going to, and you can do any color you want. I've seen every color Christmas bulb under the sun. So you can just grab any color. I was going to grab glitter, but I'm like, no, that might be too much. So I decided to cut out glitter letters instead. So here we go. Here's our lights, and we're going to take our white gel pen and just do just to give it some movement. Yes, we've had so much rain. Our garden exploded. So much rain and so much humidity. Our tomatoes. Hey! Oh, sorry about that. I'm so sorry about that. She has a very loud bark. I'm so sorry. I don't even know what they're barking at. Probably nothing. Let me see. Hold on. Stop now. I don't know what they're barking at. Okay, so I did use dies to cut out Merry and Bright, and I used a scrap piece of glitter paper, and I didn't lose my tittle. I'm so proud of myself. I always lose it. I need to see where we're going to put this at. So let's see where we're going to lay it out at. This is the part that I always end up screwing myself. Or should I do Merry and Bright up here? Let's see. Let me put Merry up at the top. There's room. No, you barked and it was very sharp. Very sharp bark. You have a very sharp bark. You scared all of the poor people at home. And me. It was rude. Yeah, hang your head in shame. Lay down. There you go. Thank you. And then, and Merry and okay. Bright. I'm gonna leave my tittle right there. We don't want to lose it. I don't want to lose it. I always lose it, and I'm so proud of myself that I have not lost it yet. But now that I said that, totally gonna lose it. Should I say there, or should I put the and down here? And should I, oh, should I put the Merry down here? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, everybody. What do you think? I think I'm going to put it at the bottom. So I'm going to start with the T. Okay. I'm going to start with the T, 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 T. I'm going to use my reverse tweezers to hold it. And then we'll build on the word from there. Yeah, this light is literally one of my favorite cards to make is a Merry and Bright card using this light. I've used this light strand in my December daily. I've used it for so many things. Like I said, you can also use it for other holidays because, I mean, let's face it, nowadays, I'm filming. Nowadays, people put lights up for every holiday, or they have the LED that you use the remote and it changes the color, so you don't even have to change your lights anymore. Get off my finger. So, yeah, you could do this for any holiday. Just come up with a different, honestly, a different sentiment besides Merry and Bright. The only reason I use Merry and Bright is literally because it's known for the holidays, for Christmas. I'm gonna use my quick stick. Because I didn't lose my tittle. I'm so excited. You don't understand how excited I am about not losing my tittle. No lie. I've lost my tittle every single time I've cut out an eye. Yay! So excited. Oh, be quiet, Gus. Why are all my animals annoying? Okay. Sorry about the dog barking. I don't know why they barked. What are you doing, Sassy? Can you just lay down? Yep, there you go. Go in another room. Thank you. I swear to God. I'm also going to tell you, as much as I love animals, I will never, after these dogs are, I'm not getting any more animals. No more animals. Can't handle them anymore. They're just too much. Not after the whole tail debacle with Sammy. If you don't know about the tail debacle, it started off like this. Fire extinguisher fell off the fridge. Which, by the way, if you have your fire extinguisher on top of your fridge because you thought, well, that's a good place to put it because it's right next to the stove, and if something happens, I can easily grab it. Get it off the top of the fridge, okay? Especially if you have one of those freezer doors that you constantly have to push closed, you know, like one of those bottom freezers. You know what I'm talking about? Because eventually, you know what's going to happen? You know what's going to happen? That fire extinguisher will eventually rock its way to the end, fall off, hit your dog on the tail. And you're going to have to rush to the vet, and it's going to cost you hundreds of dollars because there are so many blood vessels in a tail. You're going to have to go for bandage changes, you're going to have to get tranquilizers, and you're going to have to get antibiotics. Yeah. Trust me, I know. Anyway, take your fire extinguisher, and if it's not your dog, it's your kid. Take your fire extinguisher off the top of your freaking fridge. Anyway. So here we are, we're almost done. These are a lowercase die set from Temu. I went with lowercase. I just thought they were cute and it was something different, not going with capital letters or anything like that. And then I went with the blue glitter because it was the biggest piece of glitter I pulled out that I knew I could cut all the letters out of. And the light blue reminded me of like icy snow, which reminded me of Christmas. And then I don't have to put any like blingy stuff on. Brightens it up. And now I won't finish the inside because I did not pull out. Oh no, you son of a hooker. Well, that didn't line up right. Oh well. That's fine. There we go. There we go. Merry and bright. Oh, is it bright? Look how glittery it is. It's so pretty. Without the glitter, I would have put sequins or something on it to give it some, you know, shimmer, but there's plenty of shimmer on there. Look how pretty that is. And like I said, it is a free SVG. Let me trim that little bit of light bulb that came off, and I've used it so many times in so many cards. It is just a simple card, and if you wanted, you could literally just use your Cricut and write down Merry and Bright. Or maybe you even have a die that says Merry and Bright or a stamp that says Merry and Bright. I don't, and I don't know why. I should really look into one of those because I do make this card a lot. And it would go quicker that way. Or cut it out on your Cricut when you're cutting out this. To make it go quicker. But yeah, there are many ways to make this go faster that you could mass make it. I don't know why I don't have any of those things, but I don't. I should really look into it, shouldn't I? And I think I will. Thanks for joining me today for day 6 of the 12 days of Christmas in July. Sorry, I'm watching the cat try to escape. Animals, I tell ya. Comment down below and let me know if you have a stamp or a die that says Merry and Bright, and where did you get it from? Just so I know what to look for and where to go to find one. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.